Hello everyone, I'm meteorologist Johanna Wagstaff with a check on your weather for Tuesday as we get ready for round 2 of the atmospheric river that is directing quite the punch to the south coast. We've already had a number of power outages, isolated flooding incidences, damage to the Tsawwassen seawall, ferry cancellations this morning, and lots of rain with the first round, the first frontal system that rode that jet stream onto the south coast. Right now we are in a bit of a break. I've actually set the radar back to this morning when we had that intense round of rain. We're getting these southwesterly winds streaming some showers on Vancouver Island. As you can see, a few lightning strikes in there as well, but generally dry for the south coast, even seeing some good sunny breaks for the lower mainland. But the next round is quickly approaching. If I can put on the center of lows. So there's our first one moving in through Haida Gwaii right now. Our second storm quickly following that same track. So again, the first storm moved inland this morning. Here's our second system quickly following that same jet stream, and it will continue to tap into subtropical moisture from the Hawaiian Islands latitudes. So rainfall warning still in place. I think we'll get similar amounts to last night, so anywhere from 15 to 100 millimeters. The higher amounts as you head more towards the North Shore. It really isn't much of an impact story as far as rain for southern sections. That's where winds come into place, and they're still quite gusty this afternoon, but as I take you through the forecast, picking back up as that front moves back in, starting to see the winds approach a wind warning 70 to 80 kilometers per hour after the midnight hour. That's when we'll see the greatest risk for power outages, lasting through to about 2 p.m. tomorrow. So again, winds a big story once again, as the rain will be. So here's the timing on the rain. We're in that bit of a break. Rain to move in after the midnight hour. So again, around 1-2 p.m. that's when we'll see things slide in from the south, becoming heavy at times, especially for the North Shore. Before clearing out sort of late tomorrow. We don't get much of a break. A third and final punch in the forecast for Thursday. So quick look at the rainfall totals just over the next 12 hours, so through to tomorrow morning. You'll see already between midnight and 9 a.m. picking up some good amounts for the Squamish area, and then Squamish, that's where things continue to roll in. When all is said and done, Squamish and the Howe Sound area towards the local mountains, we could be talking 3, even 400 millimeters. North Shore, we could be talking 200 plus millimeters, and downtown Vancouver, this is more of a 100 millimeter story by the time we get to Thursday. So still substantial, but definitely we'll have this fresh rain and already saturated rivers. Flood watch in place for the North Shore, looking at localized flooding, if not widespread flooding tonight. So be prepared to leave some extra time tomorrow during work. The rain will be coming down heavily, and we may need to assess what the wind and rain has done in a very similar timeline tonight. We'll have more details on the show.